Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. So I create content around drugstore makeup. So if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so finally I have decided to show you my brush collection. I keep on saying this, and it's been like so many days since I planned this video, and it just gets delayed because it's going to be a long video. I will try to make two parts. I think I will show you my face brushes in one video, then eye brushes in next video. Otherwise this video will be a million years long. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I don't know where to start. I don't know where to even start this video.
So I'm confused.
Let me just show you my single brushes, and then I think I should show you my brush sets. So I have this beautiful blush brush by Wet n Wild, and this is an accident. I wanted to buy their powder brushes, and they have a big powder brush. Back to 2 years back, my thought process was very different, and my makeup style was very different. Now I barely set my face because it make your skin really dry and not good. Your makeup doesn't look good with a lot of powder, but back in days I wanted to apply a lot of powder. So yeah, that's why I wanted the big powder brush, and I accidentally got this. I love this. So soft, so soft. I think they're 200 each on discount. I will definitely link, and these were like 2 years old, so I don't know what's the price at that time. And but this is a really good blush brush. That's a mouthful. You can try it. And now I have ordered their flat top kabuki brush because I really wanted a flat top kabuki brush. So yeah, really like this. And you can see all the brushes after 2 years are still intact and they are good quality. So that's that. Okay, I think I only have that single brushes as far as face is concerned. Okay, now moving on to this set by Puna Store. Now when I started watching YouTube, Puna Store was a thing. Puna Store was everywhere. Every beauty blogger was using Puna Store brushes. I don't know if that was sponsored or it's like a very affordable brand. I don't know if they are sponsoring. And let me just grab all my face brushes and I will show you. It's a very big set. First of all, it was like professional. I still have that holder, this big holder of brushes. It's still useful to keep your spare brushes. So yeah, that's that. And you can try it if you are a pro, and if you are a daily consumer, only buy 4 or 5 brushes. You don't need that much. I bought the pro kit. So yeah, that's that. I use a lot now. As I was talking about, my makeup preference is like so much change. And see, I was using this brush. I will never use this brush now for powder. Like I can set my maybe neck. I don't know. As you can see, I don't use this that much now. And back in those days, 2 years back, I wanted to buy big brushes for I don't know why. I always have dry skin, so they are pointless. I don't know. Okay, the next brush is again a big powder brush. This is so soft, by the way. These Puna Store brushes are really soft. So this is good for under eye, and I don't know what you can do this with this big brush. I don't know. I don't use this. I think so. I still set my T-zone and my neck, but I don't use big brushes now. Okay, so that's that. And then these brushes I do use. I love them.
I love them so much.
So this they also have their use. They have, yeah, you can see they have this contour brush. All the brushes are really big enough, handy. They have their name, like their use written like here. So this is the contour and this is the highlighter. They basically are like identical. You can use both. I apply blush with this one and powder with this one, so they are really soft. And for under eyes, I like them. And to set your T-zone and under eye, or you can apply the contour, the blush, highlighter, everything you can do with these brushes. These are really soft and good. As you would see, they are 2 years old, but they are still intact. So if you can find Puna Store, you can try them. And there are so many Amazon brands. I think they are the same. I don't know, but I think they are the same. Okay, now this brush is a really interesting brush. I hope you can see. So this is a big brush. It's dome. So I don't. This says eyeshadow, large eyeshadow, but I don't use it for eyeshadow ever. I don't know. I never use it. The use, I have two uses. First is nose contouring. It's like really good for nose contour. You use, you will guys be a little shook. Like I use this. I have this kit. I use this black shade, and if I have some spots, like spots, I just fill with this. And sometimes I have foundation on here, so I just take this black and use this brush. This brush is really coming handy for so many use, and you can use your makeup brush the way you want, and I use this for this purpose. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so these were the Pune store golden ferrule one, but I have another Pune store brush set. I have another Pune store brush set. As I said already, I was like just collecting all the Pune store ones because they were really popular when I started makeup. Okay, now this brush set is a little bit more soft. These are all black, and these are a little bit more softer. That one is also soft, but this one is like extreme level soft. And I think that one was 600. This one was 800 after discount. So yeah, now we have another big powder brush which I still use, but for blushes and all I still use this brush, but not to set my face. So this is a very big powder brush. See, it's like really soft. Okay, then we have this contour brush. I use it almost like whenever I want to contour. I'm using this, so soft, and it's like perfect, and you can see it's slanted, so it's a perfect contour brush, and it's like really soft, really. So all of these brushes are really soft. Okay, now then we have another these two, and these are different. As you can see, this one is more tapered and this one is like little bit flared. So this is blush brush 2, blender brush 5, and I don't know what it like blender brush, but you can do again your bronzing with this, and you can do under eye. I use it for under eyes and stuff. Yeah, like I use my brushes the way I want. Okay, then this is also a blush brush. You can use that. You can also use for your jawline contour. So there can be so many uses of a brush. You can use it according to your need. Okay, I forgot to show you. I also have this one left. This one was my first ever brush set, and this is the only left brushes. I will try to insert the clip. It was like 100 rupees or so, and this brush is so useful that you can see everything. I think this is 3-year old, and I use it so much, and I currently use it for under eye powder, and I love it. It's so useful. After all these years, this has survived so many declutters because it's useful. And all the brushes that were useless, and these Pune store ones were like 24 or something, so I have only kept the useful brush. I quickly throw the useless brushes. So yeah, but this is so useful. Still I have after 3 years, and if it's functional, why I will throw it. Like, okay, now let's just quickly talk about these brushes. I have these one in pink one. Those I have for 3 years again, and these are like so useful. And let's just quickly talk about this one. I have the same with pink color. The color is different, the brushes are same. So first of all, we have a flat top brush which is slightly slanted, as you can see, and this is so good for foundation, and these are really soft, and these are really good for foundation. Now I love my beauty blenders, but I love sheer coverage. So if I use a beauty blender, there is almost zero coverage, so I don't want that. That's when if I am using a sheer coverage foundation, a BB King, I will go and use my brushes, because brushes will not soak up my products. So that's when brushes are so useful to me, and that's why I love a flat top kabuki brush. They are like really useful, and these are really small in size. So yeah, that's that. And they are really lightweight, but they are durable. The pink one are like 3-year-old, and they're fine, they're thriving. So yeah, these are new purchase, like these are really new. So this one is like flat top, just flat top kabuki brush, and it's not slanted. Again, for foundation, nothing to explain. Okay, now we have the contour brush. As you can see, this is like yeah, it's like slanted and curvy, so it's like really good for contour. Yeah, and then we have like this tapered, and this is not soft, this is hard, so I will not use this. And the pink one was also, I was not using this one. I don't like this. This is like slightly hard for under eyes. And then this is useful. This is like you can apply blush, you know, you can apply under eye powder, and you can use the brush according to your need. So yeah, it's like dome shaped. So I hope you can see it's like dome shape, and yeah, good for under eye and blush. You can apply. Okay, now let's just talk about my favorite. You know, I was so excited when I got these, and these are so pretty, and I wanted to get them for the longest time, and finally I got them. So yeah, these are the mermaid brushes. I have like 12 of them, like their face and eyes. So let's just quickly talk about these. So this is a powder, you know, you can apply your blush, and so soft. These ones were like 400, but the handle is like it's not that lightweight, and the quality of brushes are really soft, and you can see it's so cute. It's like mermaid theme. It's like really pretty, and plus, you know, it's purple, it's lavender. I like purple lavender. So yeah, it's a very soft brush also. It's like useful, it's not to show, just to show. Okay, now we have a contour brush, and this is a beautiful contour brush. You can see it's like slanted from here, so it's like really perfect for contour, and I will definitely use them and tell you how I feel about them. They are really soft. Okay, so next is this fan brush, and the Puna Stone one, I have fan brushes in my all the collection. All makeup set brush set have fan brush, but I'm not like a huge fan brush person. I just use my eyeshadow brush for highlighter, but you can see I can, you know, do this for videos, and you know, it's like good, but in person I will not use a fan brush. It's just like for videos it's cool. Yeah. Okay, now we have a flat top brush, and it's so soft, you guys, so soft. It's good for your foundation. And yeah, I have not used this mermaid set. It's like a brand new. I will definitely use them, and then I will give you my review about it. So this video is like so long, so I will definitely do part 2 with my eye brushes set. So stay tuned for that. I will film it right now, and I will make part 1, part 2 showing my brush collection. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.